Have you ever dreamed of a home built not for trends, but for generations? With a stunning castle-like design and a classic rounded tower, every element of this home was crafted with the finest materials and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Here, style is a legacy, not a fleeting trend. Step into your private kingdom, an incredible villa where you can live like royalty. And with its prime location just 300 meters from the beach in Campoamor, you're always just a short stroll away from the Mediterranean. This property is a statement of generational wealth and a place where a timeless legacy begins. Call us today to arrange your private viewing.